Hello, CLAT aspirants. Today, I want to explain one of the easiest chapter in maths, average. So what do you mean by average? Average is the result obtained by adding several quantities together and then dividing this total by the number of quantities. The formula which we use for average is equal to sum of the total number of observations divided by the total number of observations. We can write this formula in different forms as well. Sum of the total number of observations is equal to average into the total number of observations. Moving on to the questions. Question number 1. What is the average of the first 5 multiples of 5? So, first 5 multiples of 5 are 5, 10, 15, 20 and 25. As we know, to calculate the average, we need to use a formula sum of the observations divided by the number of observations. First, we will calculate the sum, that is 5 plus 10 plus 15 plus 20 plus 25, and then divide it by 5. And we get the average 15. Moving on to question number 2. The average of 6 numbers is 25. If one number is excluded, the average becomes 23. What is the value of the excluded number? So, to solve this problem, we'll use the formula sum of the numbers is equal to average into number of observations. Sum of the 6 numbers is equal to 25 into 6, which is equal to 150. Similarly, sum of the 5 numbers is equal to 23 into 5, which gives us 115. Therefore, the excluded number would be the difference between the two, that is 150 minus 115, which gives us 35. Moving on to question number 3. There are 2 jars X and Y containing 30 and 45 chocolates respectively. If the average weight of jar X is 20 kg and that of jar Y is 15 kg, find the average weight of all the chocolates. So to find the average weight, we need to know the total weight of both the jars and the total number of chocolates. So the total number of chocolates, that is the chocolates in jar X and the chocolates in jar Y, is equal to 30 plus 45, which gives us 75. The total weight of jar X is equal to 30 into 20, which gives us 600. The total weight of jar Y is equal to 45 into 15, which gives us 675. So the average weight would be 600 plus 675 divided by 75, which gives us the average 17. Moving on to question number 4. 10 years ago, the average age of 2 brothers, Hitesh and Ritesh, was 15 years. If the age of their little sister, Piyusha, is also included, the average of all the 3 becomes 20. Find the present age of Piyusha. First, we'll calculate the sum of the ages of both Hitesh and Ritesh 10 years ago. To do that, we'll use the formula sum of the total number of observations is equal to average into number of observations. So the sum would be 15 into 2, that is 30 years. To calculate the sum of the current ages of Hitesh and Ritesh, we have to add 10 years each for both Hitesh and Ritesh to the sum of their ages 10 years ago. So the sum of their current ages would be 30 plus 10 plus 10, which is 50. Sum of the current ages of all the 3 would be 20 multiplied by 3, which is 60 years. So, to get the present age of Piyusha, we need to deduct 60 from 50. 50 from 60. So, her age would be 10 years. Moving on to question number 5. The average run of Sachin in 7 innings was 62. How many runs must he make in his next inning so as to increase his average of runs by 8? The present age of Sachin, the present average of Sachin in 7 innings is 62. The increased average in 8 innings would be 62 plus 8, which is equal to 70 runs. So, to take out the total number of runs to be made by Sachin in 8 innings, we have to use the formula of average, that is sum of the observations is equal to average into total number of observations. The total number of runs in 8 innings would be 70 into 8, that is 560 runs. Runs made by Sachin in 7 innings is equal to 62 into 7, that is 434 runs. So, the required number of runs to be made by Sachin in the 8th inning would be 560 minus 434, which is equal to 126 runs. Thank you for watching this video. All the very best.